So the problem with the gel station is that people will they'll run a gel, and then they will leave this container like this.
Like this. Sometimes the gel still kept here, and then throw it away. I think that's another problem.
What about when you microwave the agarose gel?
Yeah.
And you leave your Erlenmeyer flask there with agarose in it, it is so hard to clean. Actually, yeah, you're really making it difficult for everybody else in the lab. Why don't you just rinse out your Erlenmeyer flask right away, and then it's all good, instead of let it solidify there. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's important. Also, like this, if you're going to use the tape, you should maybe take the tape off after.
Yeah.
Because someone else maybe needs to use this, and they don't need the tape. So it's good to clean up your mess after you make the mess.
Okay.
But this one you could leave the tape on, I guess, because it's kind of double sided. Two sides, so it's okay. But just be courteous of other people. Don't leave your gel. Sometimes people will leave the gel for 2 days, and it will dehydrate and just be sitting here.
Okay, focus here.
So that's not.
Focus here.
That's not.
Control.
You shouldn't do that. This is the gel. This is to transport the gel downstairs, so it needs to be returned here. It should not be left downstairs or at your bench. It should be returned. And then we have these. This is for the tips for the lithium bromide. So you just put once you're done, you place your tip in here. Don't put anything else but things that are contaminated with lithium bromide in this. Don't leave the ladder out. If you use the ladder, put it back into -20. It's not to be left out here because it will go bad.
When the tip is full, where should we throw it away?
It's just the trash bin. Yeah.
No, this tip.
This
We will call the facility, so you don't need to worry about that.
Yeah.
You can ask Andrew is in charge of the waste. You can ask Andrew if
For
it's
those?
full.
Okay.
For all of waste.
All the waste. Okay.
And then you should clean out the rack. If you use the gel rack, you should place it here, or sometimes people leave them in here, which is okay. But you should wash it and dry it and place it there. It shouldn't be left at your bench. And this is about how the gel station should look. It shouldn't be any more chaotic or messy than this. This is what it should look like always.
Okay. How about the dishwasher? Yeah.
Dishwash?
You